Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss different tools in the features option. So let's start. The first 5 tools, that is extruded bow space, revolved bow space, swept bow space, lofted bow space and boundary bow space. These tools are used to convert a 2D sketch into a 3D object. First one is extruded bow space. It allows us to take a 2D sketch and add thickness to it in third dimension. Let's see an example. Consider this part. The sketch of this part is, so this is the sketch. This square is extruded to form this square block and this circle is extruded for forming the cylinder. So this is the example for extruded bow space. And next is revolved bow space. Revolved bow space revolve a sketch with respect to an axis to form a 3D object. And there is swept bow space. Swept bow space sweeps a closed profile through an open or closed path. We will be using these 3 tools while creating parts for our model. Next, what will we do if we want to create a cut? For that we will be using the tools in the second section, that is extruded cut, hole wizard, revolved cut, swept cut, lofted cut and boundary cut. Let's try extruded cut. Click on extruded cut. Before selecting it, we need a sketch for cutting. I am selecting the sketch of cylinder. I am thinking of cutting a portion, like creating a hole inside this square block. For that, select extruded cut, click on the circle and give a dimension, click OK. As you can see, a hole is formed. A hole is formed. Next, there is tool called Fillet. Select Fillet and select an edge. Then give dimension. I am giving 2 mm and click OK. Now it is formed into a curved surface. Next, let's try Chamfer tool. Select chamfer and click an edge and give dimension and click OK. Now that corner is cut and a surface is formed in that place. Next, there are other tools like linear pattern tool. It has linear pattern, circular pattern, mirror, etc. It will help us to create a pattern. Then there is a tool named rip. It is used for creating thin walled support. Then there is draft, then there is shell. Shell is used to create a shell or a hollow part. Then there is wrap tool. Wrap tool wraps a sketch into a planar or non-planar face. Then there is intersect tool. Then there is mirror tool. Mirror tool creates a mirror image. Let's try mirror tool. I deleted all the chamfered, fillet and cut portions. Now we are going to do mirror. For mirror face or plane, click on this surface. Then for features to mirror, click on this block. Then click on the cylinder. Then click OK. As you can see, this is mirrored. Thus we created a mirror image. Now these are some of the basic tools in feature section. I guess you all got an idea about these tools. From the next video we will be creating parts for our model.